Hello, today we're going to walk through how to use Auto Repair Source. It's one of the databases embedded within AskRI.org. Since we're all kind of stuck at home right now, I'm sure that a lot of you, now that the good weather is finally hit, hopefully no more snow, you're outside and getting things done that you normally wouldn't have time for. And one of those things might be, I don't know, changing your brakes in your driveway or your oil, or maybe working on an old vehicle that you've had sitting around for quite some time. So without being able to go into the library and look up parts and things like that, I want to show you that you can access a whole database full of information to help you with these tasks from your home computer. So to start with, you're going to want to get to askri.org. So it's askri.org, Rhode Island's online reference center. You click on that and it brings you to the askri.org landing page. If you just scroll down, you'll see Auto Repair Source. Now there's a ton of other databases within this website to look through, but today we're just going to focus on the Auto Repair Source. So while there are tutorials in here and everything else, I'm going to walk you through a basic search. So let's say you had a 2007 Acura MDX. Okay. So this was the page that once you click on it, it brings you to. So you just fill in all of this information here, and it pops up this sidebar that gives you some more specific information you can dive into. So let's say you're working on your brakes in your driveway this weekend, and you want to see what it is that you need to do that. So let's see the general procedures. Maybe you're taking a look at your brake rotors. So this tells you what to look for, if brake rotor is beyond service, for limit, replace it, blah, blah, blah. So this is information you would need in order to diagnose in your driveway what's going on with your brake rotors. There's even diagrams and things so that it can guide you and give you a little bit of help. There's a multitude of different searches you can put in here. Not every single car is in this database, but a great deal of them are, and they do go pretty far into explaining how to do different things. You've got electrical, your driveline, exhaust fluids, parts and labor, tires, transmission, wheel alignment, all these things. So I highly recommend using this. When people call me, I'm not a car person. I don't know a lot about vehicles, but when people would call the library with questions, this usually is my first stop. As long as you have that basic information, year, make, model, engine, you can pull up things that will help you explore your vehicle online, though. Hopefully this has been helpful to you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out through our Facebook page. We're really receptive to questions. I hope that you're enjoying your weekend, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.